Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make Superscript in Google Docs. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you will search for Docs and then you will open up this first link. Then from here go to Docs and then from here click on this blank page and I will enter this number 56. Sorry, I will enter some other number like 97, 98, and I will increase its size. Now if I want to make 8 the superscript of 9, I will just select 8 here, and then basically from here I will go to this format tab and then text. Here you can see superscript, and then basically I will click on this one. Okay, so that's how you can make a superscript. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.